here is restricted, but in YouTube you can say very nicely.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the HPHT process. Now we have any doubt in HPHT? Okay. Now I'll go to the other process called MPCVD, microwave plasma chemical vapor deposition. So that this is MPCVD. This is the MPCVD instrument. CVD, I think everybody knows. Chemical vapor deposition. It is a common term. The prefix does matter. There are many CVDs. MPCVD, HFCVD, MOCVD. Is anything? Many CVDs there. Okay. So based on that prefix, it will do different works. Okay. This is so we are using MPCVD instrument to make a single crystal diamond. Okay. So here we are using a solid material to create a solid material of diamond, graphite to diamond. Here we are using a gas to make a diamond. From a gas to solid.
The input materials differ.
Input is gas.
Yes.
So what is a gas?
Methane.
Methane.
It's very dangerous. It's a methane. Okay. You can see the different gas names: hydrogen, methane, hydrogen, argon, oxygen.
So nitrogen argon is creating a pressure. Are you? What purpose are you using?
For pressure, we use the hydrogen.
For creating vacuum, are you using for that?
So actually, primarily we are using two gases only here in this chamber. One is methane and another is hydrogen. I will explain the phenomena. How is it happening?
Okay.
So
That is
this is a microwave chamber. Like looks like. Let me say, you can imagine this is a microwave oven. It's a big size, complicated microwave oven. Okay. So first we will make it a vacuum. So for anything, first we have to make a vacuum inside. After that, you can see the two valves, pipes. One is for methane, and one is for hydrogen. So we will send the pure hydrogen first inside. Then we will create a microwave, high frequency molecule, high energy microwave. Then it will make that hydrogen to ionize. So with the help of a microwave, the hydrogen get ionized, so the plasma will be created. So that's why it is called microwave plasma chemical vapor deposition. Okay. Before that, we will keep the sample, some diamond substrate. You can see this is the diamond substrate, the smaller one. So
Substrate.
Substrate.
So what is the meaning? Is this a silicon or something?
Silicon. This is a diamond only.
That is
So
diamond.
output of this product.
The output.
Output.
So we are using a diamond substrate which is thickness of 0.5 mm. Length breadth will be 5 by 5 millimeter. So we will keep inside, we will make a hydrogen plasma. After that we will pass the methane gas inside. So in the plasma, high energy plasma, the methane will break down. Free radicals will be created. At the end of some chemical reaction, more 100 type of chemical reaction occurring. At the end of this reaction, we will get a carbon. The carbon will be deposited over the diamond substrate, and the carbon will go on the. So you can see the images. This is the substrate. After some hours, after some weeks. So finally, we will get a diamond.
How much time it will take to grow?
Minimum 200 hours.
What?
Minimum
200 hours?
minimum 100 hours, maximum 200, 250 also, 250, 300.
Can you maintain that everything is right?
People are working 24 by 7 here. If this things switch on, 3 shift people will be here.
Ajayyo.
Morning 6 to 2, 2 to 10, 10 to 6.
It's like a factory.
Yeah. So even we have some 8 hours here. And here the instrument research work. Six. So we have another 6 instrument in research park. So they are also 24 by 7.
Festival.
It's a factory only.
You are tie up with the Tata group, like that?
It is. We are working independently. It is a government project. We are working independently.
Output you are selling the diamond.
We are not selling. We are working in research only. Our ultimate output will be the result, not quantity of diamonds. So we are working in application.
How do you confirm the diamond has formed?
The properties, reflectivity and
properties. We have
okay.
we have more than 15 analytical instruments in research park. More than, like if you tell instrument we have Raman with 6 lasers. PL we have SEM with the cathodoluminescence we have, IR we have, fluorescence we have, ellipsometer we have, AIFM we have, SPM we have, nano interaction we have, XRD, thin film XRD we have, orientation XRD we have, XPS we have, then IV probe we have, Hall we have, EPR we have.
so if I give one stone, whether that is a diamond or not, can you confirm it? Easy, yeah? So that
Just basic,
the character.
IR UV itself we can.
So,
Raman.
The standards are different. The prices are different. How can you justify? The price is different for the diamonds. So
This art study is only for application part. If you are looking into
exact diamonds
you know,
means
if you are looking into this gem quality, we don't want to do that experiments.
then
We don't want to do any other experiments. We can sell directly. Only one.
no.
test is enough.
Lab making is a different, right?
Lab makes it different.
Hmm.
If you are doing one sample, you are doing all this measurement with one sample. For one sample, it will be some 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. For one sample, you have to spend at least 3 to 5 lakhs. For one sample, this one sample.
Then
You
instead
have
of
to
that, we can buy it.
That all studies is for application part.
Okay.
If it is gem quality, we don't want either one Raman or UV or IR is enough. Based on 1,000 rupees, we can finish all the measurements.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Arvind.
Touch that many gas inside there, it will be grow on the sample also.
ட்ரீம் ஆனா இவர் நான் திணிக்க விரும்பல ஐஐடில சேரணும்னா இவர் என்ன பண்ணணும்
JEE exam.
ஜேஇ எக்ஸாம்லாம் தெரியும்